If you don't know where you are going, how will you ever get there? Thinking face electric light bulb. That's why setting clear financial goals is the key to long-term success. Welcome to Abhik Parth, your go-to channel for financial education, wealth building, and smart money decisions. Money Bag Books. In today's episode, we'll cover white heavy checkmark: how to set financial goals that actually work. White heavy checkmark: the importance of a personal vision for money. White heavy checkmark: a practical example to help you apply this in real life. Stay till the end because this can completely change your financial future. Rocket. Left pointing magnifying glass. Step 1. Understanding your vision for money. Before setting financial goals, ask yourself. Heavy checkmark: what kind of lifestyle do I want in 5, 10, or 20 years? Heavy checkmark: how much money do I need to support that lifestyle? Heavy checkmark: what are my priorities? Family, travel, business, security? Electric light bulb example. Imagine two people earning the same salary. Person A saves blindly without a goal. Person B has a clear goal to retire early, travel the world, and live comfortably. Pushpin: who do you think will manage money better? Clearly, person B. Lesson: without a clear vision, money will control you. But with a vision, you will control money. Left pointing magnifying glass. Step 2. How to set smart financial goals. Your financial goals should be smart. Heavy checkmark: specific, not just save money, but save 10 lakh rupees for my first home in 5 years. Heavy checkmark: measurable, set a target amount and deadline. Heavy checkmark: achievable, can you realistically achieve it based on your income? Heavy checkmark: relevant, does it align with your long-term vision? Heavy checkmark: time-bound, set deadlines for motivation. Pushpin example. Instead of saying, I want to be rich, say, electric light bulb: I want to build a 50 lakh rupees investment portfolio in 10 years. Left pointing magnifying glass. Step 3. Creating a roadmap for your goals. 1 keycap: short term, 0 to 2 years. Heavy checkmark: build an emergency fund. Heavy checkmark: pay off high interest debt. Heavy checkmark: start small investments. 2 keycap: midterm, 3 to 5 years. Heavy checkmark: save for a home down payment. Heavy checkmark: invest in skill building. Heavy checkmark: grow your side income. 3 keycap: long term, 5+ years. Heavy checkmark: plan for retirement. Heavy checkmark: build passive income sources. Heavy checkmark: achieve financial independence. Pushpin example. If you want to save 10 lakh rupees in 5 years, you need to save 16,000 rupee per month or invest 10,000 rupee per month at 12% annual returns. Breaking down big goals into small steps makes them achievable. Rocket. Pushpin practical example. Meet Amit and Priya. They both want to buy a house in 5 years. Amit starts saving whatever is left at the end of the month. His savings fluctuate, and he doesn't track progress. Priya sets a goal of 15 lakh rupees for a down payment. Small Blue Diamond saves 20,000 rupee per month. Small Blue Diamond invests in a mix of SIPs and FD for safety. Small Blue Diamond adjusts lifestyle to prioritize saving. Pushpin: who will succeed faster? Priya. Electric light bulb lesson: Money grows when you set clear goals and take consistent action. Public address loudspeaker final thoughts. White heavy checkmark step 1. Define your vision for money. White heavy checkmark step 2. Set smart financial goals. White heavy checkmark step 3. Break them into short, mid, and long-term targets. Speech balloon comment below. What's one financial goal you are working on right now? Let's discuss. Public address loudspeaker. Subscribe to Abhik Parth for more practical financial tips. Let's build wealth together. You can't manage what you don't measure. Bar chart electric light bulb. Many people set financial goals but fail to track their progress. Without tracking, you are flying blind. Welcome to Abhik Parth, where we make financial education simple and actionable. Money Bag Books. In today's episode, we'll cover White heavy checkmark. Why tracking your finances is essential. White heavy checkmark. Simple methods to track your spending and savings. White heavy checkmark. A practical example to apply this in real life. Stay till the end, because this habit can make you rich. Rocket. Left pointing magnifying glass. Step 1. Why tracking your money is essential. Imagine driving from Delhi to Mumbai without a GPS or road signs. Heavy checkmark. You might take the wrong route. Heavy checkmark. You won't know how much fuel is left. Heavy checkmark. You'll waste time, energy, and money. Pushpin. Your financial journey is the same. Heavy checkmark. If you don't track, you don't know where your money is going. Heavy checkmark. You might be overspending without realizing it. Heavy checkmark. Small financial mistakes can turn into big problems. Lesson. Tracking helps you stay on course and reach your financial goals faster. Rocket. Left pointing magnifying glass. Step 2. How to track your finances easily. You don't need complicated spreadsheets or expensive apps. Here's a simple 3-step tracking system. 1. Keycap. Track your income and expenses. Heavy checkmark. Use a notebook, Google Sheets, or apps like Walnut, Moneyview, or Mint. Heavy checkmark. Write down every rupee earned and spent. Heavy checkmark. Identify unnecessary expenses. Electric light bulb example. Rahul earns 50,000 rupees per month but struggles to save. After tracking, he realizes he spends 10,000 rupees on eating out slice of pizza, 8,000 rupees on subscriptions and shopping bags, 5,000 rupees on impulse purchases. Face screaming in fear. He cuts unnecessary spending and starts saving 15,000 rupees per month. To keycap. Review weekly and monthly. Heavy checkmark. Set a money review day calendar. Sunday works best. Heavy checkmark. Check if you are saving enough for your goals. Heavy checkmark. Adjust your budget if needed. Pushpin example. If you want to save 1 lakh rupees in 1 year, you need to save 8,300 rupees per month. If you fall short, find areas to cut back and adjust. Tracking prevents financial surprises and keeps you on track. 3. Keycap. Automate and simplify. Heavy checkmark. Set up auto debits for investments and bills. Credit card. Heavy checkmark. Use UPI wallets for better spending control. Mobile phone with right arrow. Heavy checkmark. Create separate bank accounts for savings versus spending. Electric light bulb example. Ria sets up a SIP of 5,000 rupees per month for her long-term goal. Since it's automated, she doesn't spend that money. After 10 years at 12% returns, her savings grow to 11 lakh rupees. Rocket. Pushpin lesson. Automation makes saving effortless. Pushpin practical example. Meet Amit and Priya again. Amit earns well but doesn't track his money. At the end of the month, he wonders where his salary went. Shrug. Priya tracks every rupee. She cuts wasteful spending and invests her savings. Money bag. Pushpin, who do you think will achieve financial freedom first? Obviously, Priya. Tracking is equal to awareness is equal to control is equal to wealth. Electric light bulb. Public address loudspeaker. Final thoughts. White heavy checkmark. Step 1. Track your income and expenses. White heavy checkmark. Step 2. Review weekly and monthly. White heavy checkmark. Step 3. Automate and simplify your money management. Speech balloon. Comment below. Do you track your money? If not, when will you start? Let's discuss. Public address loudspeaker. Subscribe to Abhik Parth for more financial wisdom. Let's build wealth together.